Hello students, today we're looking at introduction to modeling, and we're going to be specifically looking at sculpture. Sculpture as an aspect of art is concerned with the production of solid art expressions from different materials. These materials could be stones, wood, metal, etc. etc. We have three techniques in sculpture production. Number one is subtractive technique, which is also known as carving. Number two, the addictive technique, which is also known as modeling. And number three and final, the replacement technique, which is also known as casting. Now, just as the name implies, subtractive, from the word subtraction, subtract technique is the process of chipping out bits and pieces of a particular material to be able to achieve a given art form. Addictive technique, which also known as modeling, is the process of adding bits and pieces of material such as clay, malleable material such as clay or wax in the production of a given sculpture. Number three and final, replacement technique is also known as casting. Example of this technique, we have bronze sculpture. They make use of molds. They make use of molds for replacement technique, which is also known as casting. We have different media of sculpture. Media of sculpture are different nature in which sculpture exists. We have terracotta sculpture, we have metal sculpture, wood sculpture, bronze sculpture, stone sculpture, etc. etc. Mind you, it could be more than this. We have experimental research by artists, and the product of this experimental research could also be established media for sculpture. Sculpture tools, you should be able to relate with this because some of these tools are common tools that we use in our household. Number one, mallet. The mallet is used to hit the chisel while carving, be it wood or stone. Number two, hammer. It's used to hit hard surfaces. Number three, caliper. The caliper is used to measure parts and sizes of sculptural pieces. Number four, the adze. So it is used to reduce a mass of wood into form when carving. Number five, chisel. The chisel is used to give forms when carving. It's used to chop off unwanted parts of a mass of wood when carving. Now, sculpture could either be in two forms. The sculpture can be either in relief form or a freestanding sculpture. Freestanding sculptures are sculptures that you can go around when appreciating it, while the relief sculpture are sculptures that can only be viewed from one side. They are always flat, and in most cases they are attached to a surface like a wall or a wood. I want you to read through your notes so that you can complement my explanation. Thank you.